is a huge production for the Abby Lee Dance Company. We are the cutting-edge dance studio in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
Hush! Sharper, Marvin, don't look like you're on the stage dancing.
Our show is almost like a Broadway show. I don't want anybody messing it up. 6, 7, 8 kids in this room that can't remember what they did yesterday.
Do you think Abby's different during recital week than competition week?
Yeah, she's worse.
You know what I don't like about recital? Abby's producing this mega show, and it's just a stress of something could go wrong, and what if it's your kid? And it could be something so simple, so minor, and it gets blown out of proportion. Because until it's over and they take that final bow, I can't breathe.
Okay.
So this will be Asia's first recital? So what am I going to be in for this recital? Is it going to be cray-cray?
It is. It's like you just kind of have to stand in the way and just because there's a lot of running.
And there's a lot of screaming.
Asia, you're up. You walk over there and get ready for the dance.